Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of baking decorations, and I've got something special for all the moms out there.
If you're looking to add that extra touch of love and celebration to your Mother's Day baking, look no further than this gem we found on Amazon.
Introducing the 15-piece Happy Mother's Day cake topper set by Giga Gud. This isn't just any cake topper set, folks.
It's designed to make your Mother's Day baking endeavors a breeze and add that extra sprinkle of joy to your festivities. Let's talk about what makes this set stand out.
Firstly, you get 15 pieces of pure delight.
Each topper is delicately crafted with mom in mind, featuring the word "mom" in elegant pink lettering. Measuring approximately 4.33 inches in width and 6.69 inches in height, these toppers are the perfect size to adorn your Mother's Day creations.
Now, here's the best part. No DIY required. These toppers come pre-assembled, saving you time and effort.
Made from high-quality paperboards and sticks, they're sturdy enough to hold their own on your delicious cakes. Whether it's Mother's Day, Christmas, or a birthday celebration, these toppers add that heartwarming touch to any occasion.
Plus, they're from a small business brand, so you're not only adding beauty to your desserts but also supporting small businesses.
And the best part? You can get all 15 pieces for just $9.59, saving you $1.40 off the typical price.
Talk about a sweet deal. So, if you're ready to elevate your Mother's Day baking game and show mom just how much she means to you, head over to Amazon and grab your set of 15 PC's Happy Mother's Day cake toppers today. This has been Product Critique, signing off until next time.
Happy baking, everyone!